要 SQ 我很多年没有炒了。You know, less for sauce, go to the egg, will become very bigger. Normally, I fry rice. This is called char kway teow. Or this is the way. I just show you. Normally, we fry rice. We will make the egg until cannot see.
Oh.
Then we put the rice in. But normally, char kway teow, we cannot do it this way. We must see pieces and pieces.
Oh, like this
No. Must see like slightly bigger pieces and pieces.
Okay.
That's how you turn the way is for people to fry it. Normally, for traditional char kway teow, this time to add in the lap chong.
Yeah.
Lap chong is fragrant. You get what I mean? Normally, we will add in the taugeh first. Okay? Taugeh, you use a raw one to fry the taugeh. Chao chay, how to say that? Chao chay 会讲
Chao chay is very raw.
Oh.
Raw smell.
You see, when you do this one, kway teow, if you use this one like this way, not evenly you press. You see that it's more evenly. You get what I mean? 你明白我的意思吗？你这样放整面都会有多少的。You will use the water to press,
okay.
will be very evenly. So whatever you say, people doing frying, induction cooker you can control. If you feel that too hot, you just simply put out then you put it back But this one we have nothing. 没有东西炒嘛，有吗 ？Normally for char kway teow, we'll move to the side. Fragrant the garlic. Right now.
Move to side, then what?
Oil.
Oh, to cook the garlic.
Garlic, put some fish sauce and put everything back. And put the prawn, biscuit, stir a little bit. Before you serve, then you can put the sweet sauce.
Oh.
The sweet sauce cannot fry one. When we fry, it will become button core.
Oh.
You cannot fry one.
So sweet sauce after you cook already?
Yes, before you serve.
But must be still cooking?
No.
Oh, no more. Turn off already.
When I turn off,
All off already. Then mix.
you see, you don't know. When you go to hawker center, you order char kway teow and stand there and see how they fry.
Oh,
Yeah. This star is for Chinese chef. Char kway teow, you can see them fry this way.
yeah.
They don't fry one, they just stir here and there to let them evenly. Normally it's just stir here evenly. It's not that char kway teow very clever. They know how to control, go to everything evenly. You get what I mean? But for Chinese chef, they will use this one. And for the hawker center, they will use this one.
Yeah, I see.
Or you want to take more detail, one day you go to the hawker center, uncle, char kway teow, then you see there how they fry.
Yeah, I see them use this. I never see this.
This is for Chinese chef.
Yeah.
Everyone is correct one.
So both are okay?
It's okay. So this is the time we need to put in this one. It's char kway teow already. Right now. Then everything is cooked already, right? You can see.
Yeah.
Kway teow is very oily one. Normally don't stick one.
Oh. What is this? This is
called kway teow.
Is it cooked already?
It's a rice noodle.
Is it cooked already?
No cook.
But how
it's
come
not.
like that? Where do you buy it?
It's the raw one.
The grocery?
They have steam before they come out.
Market or supplier, they will
Yeah. This one cannot keep one day only.
Oh, fresh.
You put outside for one day, they will all spoil already. They will become very hard.
So where do you buy this?
Hawker market.
Market, okay.
Some
Sheng Siong, no.
Sheng Siong, the one is not for frying one. For cook.
Oh, okay.
If you buy kway teow from the supermarket,
Yeah.
it's not for fry.
Oh, say I want for frying one, I
You
go
must
to
go
market.
market. Supplier will supply you.
even a little bit for home people can? No.
Go to the hawker center, uncle, send me 1 kilo.
Can.
1 kilo